Hi guys, so today we're going to be installing these Sirius LED 7440 white LED bulbs on my 2016 Ford Explorer. The tools you'll be needing: a plastic trim remover, one of these. You'll be needing a 5/16 socket and a ratchet. Here we go. Alright guys, so the first step, you're gonna have to remove these plastic covers right here with your plastic piece remover. Go ahead and get those popped out. Second one. Then you're gonna get your 5/16 socket with your ratchet, and you're gonna go ahead and get these two screws removed.
First one, the second one.
Second one right here. Now what we have to do is gonna go ahead and get this taillight removed. All you have to do is pull backwards, wiggle a little bit. There you go. And we're gonna go ahead and remove the one for the reverse light, which is gonna be this one right here. Right here. Careful, go ahead. Pull it out. Set you right here. And now what we want to do is open this package up. Gonna be the bulb. So now we're gonna go ahead and pop this back in here. Make sure it clicks. Put it back in here. You have to make sure there's a tab right here that has to line up with this part right here. And now it's time to test this out. So now we can see the difference. It's the LED right here, and right here is the stock. So there you go. Different stock versus the LED light. So now all we gotta do is do the same thing on the other side. At this time, I'll go ahead and button up everything right here on this side. Don't forget to put back the clips. So once again, just repeat the process on the other side. Same thing. Oh. Okay. Make sure it clicks. Twist. Make sure it's snug. Go ahead and put the screws back in. Clip covers back on. And now let's take a look at the results. So there you have it. That's how you replace your stock halogen reverse lights with the Sirius LED 7440 LED bulbs. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. If you like this, go ahead and click the subscribe button and also click the like button. Thank you. See you next time.